Oh no, not another one. This one here is a 1947 engine powered Lincoln welder with generator, 12 volt generator and 6 volt starter. Again, 1947. Had to clean up every wired intersection. Going to the coil, get it started. This is the starter button, the key, throttle and choke. This is the data tag. 99 336 91, 3 1/4 square. It's about 30 horsepower, I guess. Took the oil pan off and cleaned out about 1.5 inches of sludge. Original paint on this thing. The decal's barely visible. I don't know what kind of welder they call this, but this is some kind of welder. Got the original brass screw-on gas cap. Picked it up at a sale Saturday. 200 amp meter special. Code 754. Got different terminal lugs for, I guess, different RPM. Anyway, let's do a startup on it. Charging the battery. That's a miracle. Another project for down the road. It had oil pressure. There's an oil pressure line going to the governor down in there. I disconnected that oil pressure line and cranked it over and made sure it had oil pressure with the new oil in it. Last time this thing run was supposed to have been 25 or 30 years ago. Not bad for a 70-year-old welder. The cylinders were pickled with oil, so it's going to burn oil for a while probably. got big giant roller main bearings on the crank, both ends. Thing will last forever.